Hello, lovely introverts and fellow adventurers on the path to embracing everyday challenges. Welcome back to the Introvert's Guidebook, where we unravel the mysteries of seemingly simple tasks that might leave us feeling anxious. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty shopping at stores like Sephora and Ulta. We'll walk you through the process, from picking the perfect perfume or makeup to confidently making your purchase. Let's begin. Before you head to the store, do some research online. Browse their websites to get a feel for the products they offer. If you're looking for specific items like perfume or makeup, note down their names and any reviews that catch your eye. Select a time to visit the store when it's less crowded, if possible. This might be early in the day or on a weekday. Shopping during quieter hours can help reduce anxiety. Upon entering, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Most stores like Sephora or Ulta are organized by brands and product types. Breathe and remind yourself that you're here to explore and enjoy the experience. Start exploring the perfumes and makeup products. Take your time, and remember, there's no rush. If you're uncertain about a specific item, you can always ask for assistance from the store employees. They're there to help. Many stores provide sample testers. Use clean applicators to test perfumes on your wrist or makeup on the back of your hand. This allows you to experience the scent or shade and see how it reacts with your skin. Don't hesitate to ask the store employees for assistance. They're knowledgeable and can guide you toward products that suit your preferences. Feel free to ask for recommendations or clarification on any doubts you have. Once you've found the perfect perfume or makeup product, it's time to make your decision. Take a deep breath, remind yourself of the research you've done, and trust your instincts. Walking to the register can feel nerve-wracking, but remember, the store staff is friendly and supportive. As you wait, you might find small products like travel-sized items or impulse buys. Feel free to add them to your purchase if you'd like. Approach the counter with confidence. Greet the cashier with a smile, and if needed, let them know you're making a purchase. They'll guide you through the process, including scanning the items, applying any discounts, and processing your payment. Congratulations, you did it. After the purchase, take a moment to celebrate your achievement. As you leave the store, remind yourself that you've conquered a challenge and acquired something you genuinely enjoy. That wraps up our Introvert's Guide to Perfume and Makeup Shopping at stores like Sephora and Ulta. Remember, each step you take is a step toward growth and self-confidence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow introverts, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, embrace your unique beauty and keep shining brightly.